Hello everyone, this is the Tornado Man here. Welcome back to another The Tornado Man Talks. I know it's been quite a while, and mostly because I just don't have any ideas on what to talk about, since I do not want this to be a commentary channel or whatever. But I'm here. I'm pressing the button or not. Basically this website, when you press the button, you give in a scenario, but if you there's also like a catch or side effect. So like, for example, you press the button, you get the ability to possess anyone you want and switch them back to your own body or whatever. But however, the side effect is that the person who possesses will go into you. Yeah, that does not sound like fun. I will not press that button. Really? 62% of people disagree with that one. Okay. Moving on. So, would you press the button? Breaking Bad returns for another run, but The Walking Dead immediately gets cancelled. Oh boy, okay. I have never watched either of them, though I heard Breaking Bad is a top tier show. I feel like The Walking Dead is probably way too long than it used to be. That's why I heard. Like I said, I never watched it, but you know what? I will not, since Breaking Bad kind of like already ended story, so yeah. Oh, 52% of people agreed. Okay, nice. Everything you'll eat have a minimal calories, enough to keep you alive and healthy, but you won't be able to taste anything. So, I love the taste of food, so as much as unhealthy I eat, I will not give up the ability to taste anything, so I am sorry, but I'm not pressing that button. Okay, 80% of people agree with me. Okay, would you press a button? Tomorrow I'll meet the most beautiful woman to ever live, and immediately follow you into death. But they're artistic and have an IQ of 85. Okay. I don't think 85 is really that stupid. Like, you still do simple tasks and stuff, so I'll if well, yeah, ugh. Okay, this is a tough question though, because I don't really want someone. No, some personal reasons, but another one has to do with money, but yeah, I will not. Oh, 50-50 on that one, okay. Cool. You'll be granted 3 abilities or powers of your choosing, but you'll lose memory of your life before. Be hunted by several governments attempting to relocate your power, and you cannot die or... Okay. So, if you're immortal, then that would be bad. Imagine, like, the existence just ending, so you're just going to float around in space for an eternity with nothing to do but be trapped in your own thoughts and mind while you suffer. That does not sound like fun. I do not want to spend an eternity alone. And plus, not mentioning anyone you will know that you love, or you had to bear the grief when they die, so I will not. Okay, 50-50 again, but people really need to think of this immortality thing, so no. The Leafs win the cup, but every hockey fan grows a beard. Okay. I don't know, the Leafs. I don't want sports. But it would be kind of funny for every hockey fan to grow a beard. Even though, realistically, I would not. For this video, I'm just gonna press it. Okay, 44% of people. Okay, cool. You change the fate of any person, but the person cannot be you, and the exact opposite will happen to you, so. Okay. I will press the button, but I really need to think this through since yeah. I guess it'll be in one of those cases where I can change the fate if it's like an emergency situation. But yeah, I will take it, but won't change fate immediately. How about that? Yeah. 58% of people agree. Okay, cool. You became a Nyan cat, but you have to crap out rainbows constantly. Okay, this is a weird question. I do not want to be Nyan cat. How old is this question though? Like, yeah, I'll just say I will not. Yeah, 61% people agree. You became a cool. You solved world hunger forever, but you became allergic to Nutella. Be mad at me all you want, but I don't really like Nutella, so I'll never eat it. That's an instant button press for me. 84% people agree with me. Good job. Those other 14,000 people. Yeah, I hope your pillow's warm tonight on both sides. Okay, you can tell when someone's lying, and you always know the truth whenever you want, but you can never tell a lie. Okay. So if lying is purposely knowing the information, while I don't think misremembering or whatever would count as lying, since to lie you have to know the truth and stuff, so. But yeah, you want? I'll press it. Why not? 64% people agree. Sure. You can turn invisible at night, but you'll turn into stone if sunlight touches you. Okay. Has cool invisibility. Might be. Yeah, I do not want to be a vampire, so yeah, I will not. Okay, 71% people agree with me. Cool. Youpie. Oh. I am so sorry for that yawn. It's like very early in the morning when I'm recording this. You are teleported to a land where people fight others' Pokemon for money and fame, but you can only return to this universe if you want every 10 years. I don't really I don't really know much about Pokemon. Yeah, I will not. 40% people. Okay. Because I'll miss my family at the other universe. Okay. Point A. You have not all knowledge in the world, but you lose all of your childhood memories. So funny thing, I don't really remember a lot from my childhood. It's kind of like, if it's like nostalgia things like Club Penguin and stuff, but you know what, I'll take that. Yeah, sure. 58% of people agree with me. Okay, I could deal with that. Oh gosh, I'm sorry for the yawn again. There is a 90% chance of pressing this button. You will give $1 million, but 10% chance that I'll immediately die. The question is, would I have to pay taxes on this $1 million? Because I don't really know how to pay them. You know what? I'm not risking it. I will not. At 32% people agree with me. Sure. Okay, cool. You have infinite knowledge of everything, but I only live to be 45. Well, knowing everything, isn't like life about, because life is to experience stuff, have fun. I will not press that button. Kinda even, but slight majority pressed it. Okay, cool. You'll live in the Monster Hunter universe, but you'll have to spend the rest of your life there, and you can't bring anyone with you. I don't know what Monster Hunter is, so no. Okay, 73% of people agree with me. Cool. All Pokemons become real, but you can only catch one. If you don't raise them properly, you will become a violent killing machine. Okay. Cool. I imagine all like Pokemon kind of like, I don't know, destructive. I do not want to live in a world like that, so I will not press it. Okay, 45% cool. You live forever, which I will not press it. Because, like I said, it would suck being trapped in space forever, being bored out of your mind, suffering out of your mind for eternity, so no. And plus I love my bacon. But 64% of people that pressed it really need to think this through. Okay. You are paid $10 million to attend 1 year of combat, but once per month for the next 10 years, a randomly selected world government will dispatch you and attempt to kill you. Oh boy, jeez, no. Yep, I will not press it. Okay, good. 47% though. You have the power to communicate with animals, but lose to communicate with humans. Yeah, I would not press that. Yeah. 78% of people agree with me. Cool. You find a scratch card with $100,000, but you never use the computer again. The computer is way too important for me. I'm sorry, but I'm not taking that 100K. Yeah, 71% of people agree. Cool. Your phone will never run out of battery, but brightness and sound will stay low forever. You know what? I'm gonna take that because... Yeah, I'm gonna take that because I don't mind low brightness, but... And I guess low sound can save my hearing. Wow, 67% of people disagree. Okay. Every girl you meet, you fall in love, but you'll never fall in love with... yeah. I am not taking that. Because what's the point? Okay, 68% people disagree. Cool. You have the power to keep humanity alive forever, but you have to die to make it happen. Ooh. You know what? You know what? Well, I'm gonna do it. Bite the bullet, Tornado Man. Bite the bullet. Boom. I guess. Yeah, I guess I'll take that here. 43% people agree with me, but you can get any video games for free, but you can't use your thumbs. You know what? I will not. There's a thing called piracy where I can get anything. I'm just kidding. I'm not a pirate, but yeah. I'd rather just pay for it and use my thumbs, so yeah, no. Alright, 71% of people agree with me. Cool. You will gain every knowledge of the world from every human, but you must experience the pain of being stuck in lava for a week. Jeez. I would not live through that torture. That. Just no. I will not. 47 to 46 people. Wow, that's a lot harder than I think. 54% of people are willing to do that. Jeez. Alright, next question. You marry the girl of your dreams, but you have to go to war for 10 years. Like I said earlier, I don't really care. I will not. 59% of people agree with me. Okay, you could go anywhere in the world instantly, but each time you did, you'll be a statue for an entire day. You know what, I will take that only if it's like emergency situation where I had to teleport out of the way or something. So you know what, I will take that. Okay, 63% of people agree with me. Alright, cool. Like I said, immortal is bad. So, I will not. 74% of people agree. Okay, finally. But still, 26% of people need to think that through. Be on a Viking, never able to go on raids. I kinda don't want to be a Viking. It's kinda cold. No. 64% of people agree with me. Cool. Obama dies, but we aren't in debt anymore. Look, I don't want to get political, but no matter who dies, that counts for everyone. So let's be debt free, baby. 61% of people agree with me. Okay, that's cool. You create something that revolutionized the modern day world, but you'll invest the rest of your life in it in a way we remember you or credit you for it. Ooh. Okay, this is a really, really tough question. But if it changes the world, like in a positive way, like, I don't know, free sustainable source of energy, or you know what, I want to make a positive impact in the world, I'll press it. Like, I can understand why 56 people disagree with me, but yeah. Okay. Any video game you choose becomes real with just one thought, and you are the main character, but it will only last 5 minutes, and you'll be able to make any video game real for 1 week. Ooh, okay. You know what, this could be fun. You know what, I'm gonna hit the button. I think this week could be cool. Okay, 72% of people agree with me. Cool. You get to marry a billionaire you will never want for anything ever again, but I don't love him or her. Okay. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna press it. Okay. I can understand why more than half the people disagree with me, but okay, cool. Receive your own Pokemon, but so does your worst enemy, and you always lose to him. I don't really have enemies, but why is there a lot of Pokemon questions? I don't even play Pokemon. Well, I will not press the button. Alright. I can't. Okay, yeah, I guess I can see why people would choose it, but okay, you bring bacon to a baconless world, but it feels like you were always stepping on a Lego brick. Now this question is kind of funny, but yeah. So, is it barefoot stepping, or am I wearing shoes? But I'm assuming it's like barefoot, so I will not press the button. Oh wow, okay. 68% people actually 68% of people agree with me. Cool. Alright, you can time travel, but a secret agent constantly follows you, and if he catches you, you'll be sent back 200 years from the year you went to, and have to live there for a year. Okay, so here's a trick. Travel like 201 years into the future. Let the agent follows you, so you can travel back to a year, but you still to like time travel, so you can get to see the future for like a year. You want, yeah. I don't really care about going to the past since paradoxes and stuff, but yeah, I'll press that. Alright. I don't know how a lot of people answered that question, but 52% people agree. Yeah, it's kind of even. You get to have the time of your life, but everyone else. Okay, yeah. I do not want to live in a world where everyone wants to commit reset. So yeah, I will not. 77 people agree with me. Okay, that's good. You live the perfect life. Nothing you do is ever private though. So okay, yeah, I will not press the button since I want to do my business in privacy. So no. 54% people agree with me. Cool. Eternal world peace, but you die tomorrow at this exact time. Ooh. It's eternal, so it'll last forever, but yeah, I'm gonna press it. I'm gonna bite the bullet. 50-50. But yeah, I bit the bullet. You can travel back in time, but you can only silently observe what's happening. You can't interact with the past in any way. Okay, yeah, you know what, I'll take that since that would like defeat the paradoxes. If you can't track of anything, then there will be no paradox. So yeah, I'm gonna press it. Okay, like 80% of people agree with me. That's cool. Yes. Okay, you get $100 million, but someone in the world is trying to kill you in 1 year. So I have to write this down. So, just a tough question. What if I give $100 million away to charities? Hence, that would help a lot more people than just myself. So, you know what? I'll press that button. Alright, yeah, 68% people agree. Cool. Everything you wish will come true, but you have to listen to Justin Bieber songs for a month. Ugh, jeez. Like, he only has like 4 good songs. Changes is probably one of the worst albums that's been made, but I will do it for since my wishes will outweigh Justin Bieber. So yeah, I'm gonna press it. 84% of people agree with me. Nice. You always get gum for free at convenience stores, but there's a little spectral pink elephant that keeps following you around and no one else can see it and sometimes makes noises. I don't really care about gum, so I will not. But, okay, half and half. That's cool. And yeah, I guess this will be my last question, since I don't want this video to last forever. Would you press the button? You become a character of your favorite movie, series, anime, whatever, but you will become the most pathetic character. Ooh. Like, I have to think this through. Since. You know what? I'm gonna press the button since. Yeah, I think it'll be cool to live, but not sure what my favorite movie would be, so. But yeah, I'll press it. 41% of people agree, 59 don't, but yeah. So that'll be all the questions I'll be answering today. If you like my commentary, then yeah. If you have any other comments, leave down below, since I would like to hear your thoughts on some of these would you rather questions. But yeah, I mean, would you press the button questions, you know what I mean. But yeah, that's it. Have a good day, night, whatever time you watch this, and goodbye.